Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie and today we're going to go over the Credit Repair Cloud Masterclass. And the reason why I'm making a video on this is because they recently revamped the entire program and it's honestly insane. I'm also going through the program as of right now of making this video. And the reason why I wanted to make this is because I see a lot of people asking questions in the Facebook community about the new Masterclass and if it's worth the money. So let's go ahead and go over this together. Don't forget to smash that like button for me while I create more content for you guys on credit repair, starting a credit repair business, and also how to remove negative items and things like that with credit repair. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you a little bit of what's inside of the course. Obviously, I can't show you everything as, you know, I don't want to ruin anything with Credit Repair Cloud or anything like that. Since you guys do need to get that course, I'm going to show you a little bit of what you get and what's inside the dashboard. So what exactly do you get in the Masterclass program? So what you get is 6 months free access to Credit Repair Cloud. So that alone is a huge benefit because you don't have to pay for the software. For the next 6 months, you have total use and total control of the entire software, and you can use it to start getting your clients, building your business with the Masterclass. And you also get the actual program, which is the 4-week Build Your Business Masterclass. And that basically goes over automations, disputing, how to outsource your clients, how to automate most of your processes and procedures. You also get the 14-day Credit Hero Challenge, which is something that you can purchase as an a la carte program. And you also get the live software training classes, which allows you to become certified with CRC. You also get marketing and sales plus a professional website and 6 months of free hosting. So if you don't want to pay for a website builder or a sales funnel, you do get 6 months worth of free website hosting with Credit Repair Cloud, which is a huge benefit if you want to have some kind of, you know, social media presence. Now you also get the Master Affiliate Sales Premium Bundle. This is a huge value add-on as you can start getting clients through Instagram, TikTok, or other types of social media efforts. Now you also get the Advanced Disputing course as a bonus, and this allows you to use more than what the Credit Repair letter templates that you get from Credit Repair Cloud. You also get the Master Automations Training Cookbook, which is amazing because this teaches you how to use Zapier and how to automate your email marketing, your sales funnel lead generation, and much more. You also get the Rockstar team training, which allows you to basically outsource and hire hire your own team, and you can start leveraging other people's time and create a business instead of having to do all your operations on your own. Now the last bonus is building business credit for your credit repair company or any other company in the future, and you can also offer this as a service. So let's go ahead and dive deeper into the program so I can show you guys a little bit of what you get and some of the videos that you can see as well. Alright guys, so now we're inside of the Credit Repair Masterclass program. As you can see, you do get a lot of modules and a lot of bonuses that comes with the course. Now, one huge benefit that I enjoyed from this program is that you do get everything all at once. So it's not like the Credit Hero Challenge where it's week by week and it can seem kind of daunting. But right now with this program, everything is provided to you on the same day. So the first module is kind of just manifesting or letting you know what happens during the process and the journey of becoming a credit repair owner. So it's a great way to get started. And they also want you to take the Credit Hero Challenge on the first module. So you can see here that they give you like some basic information. They ask you to join the community and as well as get the Credit Hero Manifesto, letting you know to just write down that you are gonna become a credit hero and get the credit repair program and complete everything basically. So that's the first module. Now the second module is setting up your business, making sure that you have your logo, having your brand and your name all set up, pricing your services correctly if you want to do pay per delete or if you want to do a reoccurring subscription model. Now it's going to teach you how to set up your email. Like instead of having it as 123credit@gmail.com, it will be support@123credit.com. So it'll be like more professional. Setting up your 6-month free CRC website, which comes included with the masterclass. Getting up your business structure. So if you want to set up like an LLC, or if you want to do a DBA. And this is a really great part of the program because you can basically set up your business bank account, making sure that you get approved for an account, because I know that's very stressful. So those are the first 2 modules in the program. Now we're on the 3rd module here for the master marketing, and this is going to show you how to get clients via Facebook, Instagram, how to write blog content that actually converts. I myself have a blog. I actually have 2 blogs, and I do range about 2,000 monthly visitors in the past 6 months that I've been creating content. So I know blogging does work as long as you write content that converts. Now you also learn free lead generation tactics, and as well as even some paid, but CRC really focuses on getting clients via organic resources such as Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. So that's that 3rd module. Now we're going to go into mastering sales. So you do get a sales script. You learn how to convert your leads into paying clients using Credit Per Cloud, and how to basically suck them in with the credit audit, which is a great way to really build trust with your clients because everything is automated with the software. Now, the next thing is going to be module 5, which is running your entire business. This is important because you don't want to just sign up clients and then have them cancel the next month. This module teaches you how to get your clients to sign up with you for the next 3 to 6 months instead of 1 month and canceling. And you also get to learn how to handle negative reviews and customers using marketing tools, to leverage customer reviews and testimonials. Now we go into the advanced disputing course. Once you click on the course, it takes you onto another page because the course itself is a whole different little program, and it's amazing because they give you the entire cookbook for dispute certifications. Now, the next module here is the module for automations, and this is a really, really long portion of the program because it teaches you how to automate using Credit Per Cloud and Zapier. So it's going to teach you how to get your calendar appointment scheduling automated, how to get leads when they input their information to your CRM system, how to automate email marketing, the onboarding, everything you can basically think of. You also get an automations cookbook with all the information through a book. So if you want to do that instead of watching the videos. Now, I know it's a lot of information, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button as well. So we are moving on to the 7th module, which is mastering affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to start getting clients through word of mouth or referrals, such as real estate agents, loan officers, car salesmen, whatever you can think of, this teaches you how to set up your contracts with your affiliates. It even provides you with free resources to start getting affiliates through LinkedIn, and also just basically signing up new affiliates. All right, so then the last module here is how to hire a team. So if you want to start getting a dispute processor, a sales rep, this shows you how to do that, and even provides you with some resources and contract hiring as well. And the final is the conclusion. So once you do this, you get all your certifications. So you do receive your CRC certification, you receive your advanced disputing certification, your business cert, and everything else. Alright guys, so that basically sums up the Credit Repair Cloud Masterclass review. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know it's been a quick video and I haven't been creating as much content as I should be. I've been slacking on that, and I just wanted to let you guys know in another video that's going to be coming up soon, I'm going to be rebranding the channel because I really want to help more people with credit repair business. I also want to help people with credit repair marketing, how to fix your credit, rebuilding credit, and I also started a new entire website just for that purpose. I hope you guys will enjoy all that with the content coming up soon. Now, I also have my affiliate link in the description below for the masterclass. If you want to support the channel, you guys can use my affiliate link in the description below. I also will be providing a one-on-one consultation call if you use my link, and as well as my Credit Hero Challenge bonus course will come along with that as well, guys. All right, well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. If you want to learn more about Credit Repair Cloud, go ahead and watch these other videos that I'm going to be putting on here right now. Go ahead and click one of those if you want to learn more about the Credit Hero Challenge or the Credit Repair Cloud free trial. All right, see you guys on the next video.